Scott?
Fresh itaw.
Huh? Wow. Fish and
Tilapia mo.
yeah, let's eat. Okay, this is my seats. Okay. Amin na jacket ako doon. Ito lang. Did you go store? Excuse me ba? Okay, we have talong and ginamos and buwad and that. Excuse me. Do you like it?
What?
Do you like it?
What?
Do you like it?
For what? What?
The fish and that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's time to eat.
It's time to eat. Thank you, kuya. Uy, naalagin eh. Sige ko pangitaan eh. Diin na ni mo kit eh.
Ito na ba?
And rice sa kaldero.
Move your foot.
Kaon na tayo.
Let's eat.
Yeah, let's eat. Kaon tayo, guys. Namdaday ko, anday ko. Kaon ta, guys. Siya. Magpapas ako eh. Pag-jacket ko to, man. Magdulos ko siya. Sana pagkaon flat ko eh. Sana all. Kaya kung gamay sa bawaan yung mga noodles ha. Pwede, Kuya Scott, well na, kuwan, umaha.
I know.
He have an appointment tomorrow for his ears. So you are the only one who will go to school, okay?
Sure.
Let's eat. And I want this. Kunti, can you get one water, please? Kunti, you should sit there, not Kuya Scott. It's very hard for him to get out. You should sit there. It's good. Thank you, Kuya Scott. Let's eat, guys. Kunti, do not look at me like that. I don't like it. Can you get water for me?
Sure. Mama? Madam? Hello? Madam?
Let's eat, guys.
There.
Can you give me that, please?
Oh, yeah. Wait, this one? This?
For this.
Here. Oh.
Oh, so ba?
Ano itong anak-anak day? Sudan ito na.
Ano pa man to?
Dapat to, give me to squirt. Dahil ko kuya ha, sabaw. Okay.
It's a little bit spicy.
I know, but it's good. I like to mix it with rice. Here.
No more, okay. No more, man.
No more? Just use that one, Curtin. Ay, ilabay kayo. Ako yung transfer din ha.
Here.
Kasi,
A little bit so good.
the suka and the patis here. Mix it. Ano ba daw talong kong tuto?
Sarap mo.
Ha?
Sarap.
Pero dahil mo kung talong. How many left there?
Oh. But there looks.
Hmm?
Looks like. Looks sama to the balik.
Then,
Listo.
oh, I know this one. Beshi. Like, nagbinas na to. Oh, and do we still have a beef?
Thank you, Kuya.
I already did.
Sure.
Thank you again, Kuya. Do we have a...
That was a bug. That was a bug. Outside.
None of the lights. What's on there?
Nah.
Whose plan?
Cord.
Napaka beef?
Gatong, ako mga baby pa na. Gatong kamay ko yung luto.
Ako matutong isa ko sa kuan.
Parang yan naman sila. Beef ko gatong kan.
Napay ka ng Raffles. Raffles? Repulyo.
Ano plan?
Kung nalabaw ko sa kahapon, ako to giluto karon.
Iwanan eh.
Because every time, every week, I'm supposed to cook good food.
Di ka magkunihabit mo. No.
Hmm?
Okay na the food eh. Wala po kaong kayo.
Hmm?
Ngayon, ganyan kaong yung food yan eh. Ano ba? Ay mo ito ilabin mo bas. Unang to.
Wa man mo gisul sa rep. Wa man mo gisul sa rep kung trabaho. Ako gilabay.
Ano sa noodles?
Halang man na, pero lami siya. Mabalik kong lain sa itong sweet.
Marami po po. Spicy.
About the world's spiciest gummy.
Hmm?
What's the world? Not the world's spiciest gummy.
Mabatag usap kong butig.
Tumpate.
Mo ganyan tayo luto ng kutin eh.
Fried.
Gamay na mo ito. Ako nung agwan, dahan na ito pa sunod. Nung agwan ako pa, suwan ako ginamos. Oh, ano ta PG store, pa tagba lang mo yung gabi.
PG?
Oh,
When?
oh,
Me and Kuya will.
naam na ba lang mo yung pet mo? Naam na ba lang mo eh? Dito?
Wala, ano na?
Ito na iwan sa'yo.
Naam sila.
Sorry ba, what's this?
Ano tayo pepper kamuti nito?
What's that? With that green thing?
Dili, the brown one.
What's the point?
Parang nga ipanit.
Onion?
Mm.
Is sweet? Sweet?
Kaya naman ka nagluwag ko og walang way the other house?
No?
Katubang puti, parang gitunuan ako.
No.
Ganahan din ka ito ng taon?
That was your favorite.
What is it?
Itong kamay pa ka.
Yeah.
Who's your bird there?
And the coconut milk.
Katong katong look like a muffin?
No.
What is it? Okay.
We will buy next time so that you will remember. Katuhin mo ng puto ba?
Puto?
Remember the brown fried chicken? The white one?
Mama, nang school na to. Ang baya.
Huh?
Okay.
What did you say?
Kumanan school na ko. Kumanan magbugang ng school. Can we go? Can we go?
What?
Unsa daw?
We're done at school.
Mhm.
Chill got.
No, katong we always go.
What?
Diin. Sa mall?
Asian toy.
Oh, Asian store.
Yeah.
Yeah, we will go there when they have a stock. They're out of stock right now.
Why?
I don't know. There no more deliveries. I don't know why. That's my friend told me.
Sabaw?
Your friend work up there?
Hmm. Wala na sila sa kape nga kurat. Nahutang sila. Uy, naganda ang aircon niya. You open the door.
Let's turn it off.
Huh?
That's the ours. That's the.
Eh, lami ang sudan. Thank you, kuya.
Okay.